Yo guys, so it's raining. Or should I say raining or pouring? Probably pouring. It's pouring out. See, I'm gonna go. Right? I'm gonna go. Okay. Ready?
What do you think you should do about it? Work up some water, everything goes in. And why?
It's gonna be my turn soon.
Take care of it. Hurry up.
Oh my god. Record it. Record me. Record me now. Record me now, gang. Oh my god. Oh, I have socks on. Taking my socks off. Let's do this. Oh no, I'm getting the heavy rain now. Let's go.
Well, I ain't gonna send Zach. He's been sick anyway.
You write it down?
I wrote it down again or two. On that little piece of paper. Friday. With the information, the guy. Like, did he show you? I'm like,
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go out one more time because I want to.
Positive.
Holy crap.
Yeah, my number.
You're carrying it around Friday.
Come on.
I've got it on my number sheet. It's okay. I can call. Don't. Why are you even looking? I have a phone number sheet. Coaches and everything.
What?
What? I did what I was supposed to do. Emptied everything in here. Why is that out in the rain? You took over the
Oh my god. So guys. Bye. Say bye, Zach.